1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. It's getting late. Fine, we'll start. Matrix. Can you see the screen, all of you all? Whoever joined late, Ananya, Delicia. Matrix, not matrix, which is that? How many questions did we solve today? I think 8th main we have started, right? Simplify. Which question we have done? Which one? 8th and 9th is done? 9th one I've written here. 10th question. We'll start from the 10th. Before that, I think whoever doesn't remember the concept, right? Once again, students, once again we'll start that and we'll start solving. Look here. Exponent or indices base to the whatever you write top, what you call? Power or exponents, right? Power or exponents or indices. All three names is for power given, top power. So power can be, what are the different types of power we have? One is positive, x square. Yeah, 2 square. One is 2 square. One is negative, and the other one more is fractional, right? And one more, other one is 0. What is 2 square? 4. What is 2 into minus 2? When it is negative, what is 1 by 2 square? See, start writing direct answers, students. Don't write another step. What is 2 in minus 2? 1 by 4. I think somebody is chatting or texting. Please stop. Who's that? Okay. Next. Fraction is given 1 by 2. If fraction is given, what you have to eliminate, students? Denominator. So how do I solve this? 4. I should write 2 to the power of 2. Next. The answer is 2. How come 1? No, next is 1. Yes. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Clear? These are the types of powers we studied. And from the 8th and 9th main onwards, what if the power had variables, right? The power has variables. Yes, the power has variables. For example, 25n plus 2. Look at the power. Does it have only number or variable? Variable. So the rule for variable is whenever it has variable, what you have to do? You have to factorize. Factorize what? What do you call this? Base, right? Factorize the base. Tell me for 25, when you factorize what you get? And 5 ones are 5. So what should I write? Square into n plus. When you open the bracket, what do you get? Multiply this. See, you have to multiply like this. Delicia, you concentrating? These are tough questions, Delicia. What do you get? 2 into n is 4. 5 to the power of 2n plus. Is this clear, all of you all? Did you understand? Okay, the next one. What about Island Angel? Ananya? Okay, next one. 30 into n plus 2. No, not 30. 25 into. Let me write 100. 100 into n plus 2. Again, what type of value is given, students? Power has what type of value? Variable. So what you have to do with the base? Factorize. What do you get? No, 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 not 10 square. You shouldn't write exactly 10 square. You should start from 2. What do you get? Next. Next. 5 into 5. 5 into 1. So how will I write this, students? How do you write this? 2 into 2 into 5 into. This 2 into 2, can I write 2 square? 5 into 5. 5 square. What's the answer for AB the whole square? According to product law. A square, B square, So whenever a square b square is given, whenever the square values are same, can I take it common? Can I write ab the whole square? Right? Okay, now look here. This 100, I'll write it as 2 square into 5 square. To the whole power, what is given? Whole power n plus 2. So what's the answer for this, students? Can you tell me the answer for this? Multiply this both a4. So what are we doing? Basically, we have to multiply, right? Now what do you multiply with this? 2 into 2 whole power n plus 2 into 5 into 2. Okay, when you open the bracket, what do you get? 4 into 5 to the power 2n plus 4. Understood how to write? Any doubts in this? Okay, I'll tell you the reason why we do it like this. The first thing, whenever the power has variable, students, if you don't understand this concept, when you see the question, definitely you'll get confused. You won't even be able to solve the first step. Just a minute. Now we'll start solving. Use the same concept. We'll start solving. Next one. Quotient law and product law. What do you mean by product law, students? What is product law? Now a square multiplied by a to the power of 4. What do you mean by product law? When do you get product? When you multiply two things, you get product, right? So remember this concept. Whenever you multiply, when the base is same, take base. When there is multiplication in sign in between, what you have to do with the powers? Add or subtract? You have to add. What's the answer? 6. Very good. A to the power of 3 divided by a to the power of 2. When you divide, what you have to do? Subtract. So what's the answer? A. Just A. What if I write a to the power of 3 divided by a to the power of 5? This is very important concept. What should I subtract? Tell me. Not minus 1. Almost minus 2, right? What is 3 minus 5? A to the power of minus 2. If you write like this, you won't get full marks. If the power is negative, there's one more step. What you have to write? How to make it positive? Very good. 1 by square. Can you see? This is known as quotient law. For division, you call quotient law. For multiplication, you call product law. Any doubts? Can we start solving the questions? See, first and second is done. 8 and 9 is done. Those who are absent didn't understand, just ignore. We'll do it in the last. 8 and 9 is done. 10th question. 5 to the power of 2 into n plus 6 into 25 to the power of minus 7 plus 2n divided by 125 to the power of 2n. Concentrate here. Most of the time they give these type of question for 3 mark students. Okay, they won't. It's very rare. From 1 to 9, very rare. 8 to 15. 8 to 15 are tough questions. They'll give it for 3 marks. Tell me the first step. Look at the numerator. Fraction. The powers. Look at the power. What is given in the power, students? Is variable present? Okay. What about base 5? Can we factorize further, or that's the maximum 5? It's the max value, right? You can't factor it further. So keep it as it is. Don't write anything. Just multiply the powers. What is 2 into n plus 6? 12. Multiplied by 25 is given. How do you factorize 25? 5 square into minus 7 plus 2n divided by 2n is given. How do you factorize 125? What to the power gives 125? 5 cube into what? 2n. Is this clear? Did you understand, all of you all? Now look at the numerator, 5 into 2n plus 12. Now multiply this, multiply them. What do you get? What is 2 into minus 7? Minus 14. Plus what is 2 into 2n? 4n divided by, open the bracket, what do you get? N. Now can we use the product law or quotient law in the numerator? Is the base same? Is the base same, product law? So if base is same, take 5. What do you do? Add or subtract? Add the power. 2n plus 12. When you add, what do you get? Minus 14 plus 4n divided by 5 to the power of 6n. Now numerator, tell me this, student, solve this. What do you get? What is 2n plus 4n? 2n plus 4n is 6n. 12 minus 14, yes. Okay, fine. Fine, Anya. Let us join. You concentrate here, Anya. So I think you missed this topic, which I explained now. How can you do two things at a time? You're listening and you're talking to her. You should ignore. When she's calling, you should let me know, or you should cut the call. Okay, others, did you all understand till here? What did you all get, students? 2n plus 4n is 6n. What is 12 minus 15? Minus 2. Divided by 5 to the power of 6n. How are these two related? Division or what? How are these two related? Quotient law. Can you tell me quotient law? I'll take 6n minus 2 minus. So what is 6n minus 6n? It gets, what is left? Okay, it is positive or negative. So what's the final answer? Not 5. 1 by 5 is 20. Is it clear, students? Shall I explain once again? Who has doubt in this? Angel, Anya, Ananya, did you understand? Bhargavi, Island. What about Delicia? 1 by 25, students. Yes, you should get 1 by 25 completed. Don't copy. If you copy, it's of no use. Just copy the first two, this one, and start solving. Which question is this? 10th. So whoever has completed, whoever has understood, will you try the 13th question? Will you try the 13th one? 11th and 12th I'll do. I'll do 11th and 12th. Those who have completed, those who have done this, try the 13th one. Try 13th. Give me 2 minutes, I'll be back. Abigail online? Okay, Abigail, actually, this is a new topic. So, here, only if you understand this powers, you'll be able to solve. Did you attend 8, 9, and 10? When ma'am taught you, did you understand? Little, okay. Kind of confusing topic. Try to understand. Fine. Others completed, done? Done or still doing it? Done? Yeah, tell me, what's your doubt? Positive. What is 1 by 5 to the power of 2? 1 by I just written it directly on your 9th standard. You should understand. You can write. You write even 1 by 5 to later you can convert. Okay, you can even write it directly. You have to convert it. That is the concept, right? 1 by 25. You have to convert. See, which one is possible in the practical world? Do we have any currency like 5 square? No, right? Which one we use? We have 25 rupees. So 25. Yes. So practically 25 is possible, students. Fine. That's the concept. Whatever power we have to ignore, convert it. Is it clear? Okay. Abigail, you attend. If you are not able to understand, I'll teach later. We'll see. Next one, 11th question, students. All of you tell me the 11th one. See, Abigail, previous question, the powers do not have variable. Can you see from 8 to 15, everything has variable. N is present, right? So we just factorize the denominator. That's the concept. You have to factorize the not denominator, factorize the base. 12 into 5 to the power of n minus 2 into 5 to the power n plus 1. Others, can you unmute and answer the 11th one, students? 5 to the power of n plus 1, keep it as it is. Minus 16. What can I write 16 as? 4 square, right? If not, yeah, just keep it as 16 or 4 square. Anything is fine. I'll keep 16 into 5 to the power of 2 plus 1. What about 12? No, see, this one is not related to the previous one. Try the 13th one, students. Later we'll solve this. Try the 13th question. 5 into 25 n plus 1 minus 25 into 5 2n divided by 5 into 5 2n plus 3 minus 25 into n plus 1. Okay, let me explain the first step. All of you look at the screen. Look at the numerator. Does 5 have any power? Unmute and answer, students. Does 5 have any power? Keep it multiplied by. What about 25? The power is variable. So what's the rule I told? If it has variable, what one you have to factorize? So what is 25? Pi square. So I have to write it as pi square into n plus 1. Next, 25. What can I write 25 as? Pi square into 5 to the power of square divided by 5 into. See, factorize. You can't further factorize 5. That's the maximum. 2n plus 3. Next, tell me this one. How do I factorize? Power n plus 1. Now, Abigail, you respond, Abigail. You multiply. We'll keep 5 as it is. What happens to the next one? Multiply these two. What is 2 into n plus 1? Yes, 2n plus 2. Tell me the next one. Keep 5 square as it is. Into 5 to the power of 2n. Tell, okay, this remains as it is. Next, what do you get? 2n plus 2. Do you know quotient law and product law? Plain, okay. Which one? Quotient and product? Okay, I'll explain that. Others, can you all answer this, students? Multiplication is given, base is same. So take 5 common. What is the power? For these two, what is the power we have? 1? No, no, 1 plus 1 minus. For the next one, 2 plus 2n. Abigail, whenever the base is same, can you see if multiplication is given, what did we do? Add or subtract? Add the powers. Okay. If division is given, you have to subtract the powers. Fine. Tell me the next one, students. These two are multiplication sign in between. 1 plus, next 2n plus 2. Yes. Now tell me the answer for the first one. What is 1 plus 1? 2 plus 2 plus 2n, right? Minus 2 plus divided by minus. Okay. Complete it till here. The next two step I'll teach. Don't copy. First go through, students. I'll give 6 minutes time. First go through. Later you can solve. First step, second, third step, fourth step. Okay. So others keep doing this. Yes. Abigail, look at this. Product law is nothing but when the base is same. A to the power of 5 multiplied by a to the power of 6. Are base same? Others mute the call, students. Abigail, answer this. A to the power of, yes, 11. If it is division, 5 divided by a to the power of 3. Very good. A to the power of 2. This is known as product law and the other one is quotient law. Now, did you understand? Okay. That is what I've used. 5. Product law and quotient law. Done? Okay, all of you will complete. Red ones are the steps. First step, second, third, and fourth. Okay. 13th question. Completed till here? Okay. Delisha, do you have any doubts? Somewhere the value has gone wrong. Nobody realized this student. Yeah, the value is wrong. Can you tell me this again? Is this correct? Can you respond? Unmute and respond. When you multiply the powers, what do you get? 2n plus 8. Yes, that written it wrong. I've written as 2n plus 1. That is 2n plus 2 students. Write it as 2n plus 2. Okay, third and fourth step, there might be some changes. So just ignore. I'll do it again. Third and fourth, because of this 2n plus 2, everything went wrong. Okay, can you tell me this again? What do you get? 5 to the power of? Base is same. 1 plus 2 plus. Don't erase everything. Just take where you have missed out. Convert, write the divided by 5 into 1 plus 2n plus 3 minus me the next one. 5 into 2n plus. Then what do we get? What is 1 plus 2 students? 3 plus 2n. Next. 2 plus 2n. Then 4 plus 2n minus 5 into 2n plus. Don't erase everything. Check which one is missing. I will correct it that whatever I went wrong. Did you all correct it? Shall we try the fifth one? See here, student, here it should have been 3 plus 2n. In your paper, you all would have written 2 plus 2n, I think. Only this step, only these three steps are wrong. Other things are fine. Only these three are wrong. Change them. Yes, students, respond. Done. I will done. And now, according to product law, a to the power of 2 or a to the power of c into a to the power of d. What's the answer for this? It's the same, right? See, you should know both. You should know how to convert a to the power of c plus d. How do you convert this a to the power of c plus d? Back to this, what do you get? A to the power of c into a to the power of d. Okay. You should know both, students, left hand side as well as right hand side, both the conversion. Now I'll give you a question. A to the power of 5 plus c. Is the base same for both? Base is common for both. Take a to the power of 5. If plus is given, what sign you have to put here? Multiplication or division? Multiplied by a to the power of c. Understood? Now what's the answer for this? What's the answer? 5 to the power of 3 into 2n. Is this clear? All of you understood? Any doubts in this? Can you respond? Why nobody is responding? No? Okay, now look at that is what you have to use, students. 5 to the power of 3 plus n. I'll tell you the reason why we split this again. Why we split this? Which one has variable? 3 as variable or 2 as variable in this power? Which one has variable? Which one has variable? 3 or 2n? 2n has variable, right? So we need to separate the constant here. We need to separate constant. This 5, I'll write as 5 to the power of 3 multiplied by what? 5 to the power of 12 minus. Tell me, how do you separate this? Separate the constant and variable. 5 to the power of 2 into 12 divided by next 12. Next 5 to the power of 2n into 5 to the power of 2. What is common in the numerator, students? Look at the numerator and tell me what is common. Which one is common to both? Only the numerator, which is common. 5 to the power of 2n is common. Let me take 5 to the power of 2n. What is left in the bracket? 5 to the power of 3 minus. Next, tell me in the denominator what is common? What is common? 5 to the power. What is left in the numerator? Denominator. Then we cancel 5 to the power of 2n and 2n. The reason to eliminate the variable, this is how we have to do. We have to take the common value to eliminate the variable. Now what is 5 cube? Tell me the answer for 5 cube. 125 minus 5 square is 5 to the power of 4. I'll give the answer. 625 minus 25. What is 125 minus 25? You get 125 minus 25 is 600. 0 gets cancelled. What's the answer we got? So in the initial we had variable n, we eliminated variable n and we got the answer 1 by 6. Okay, fine. Completed. Enough. Tomorrow we'll continue with the remaining 11, 12, 14, 15. After this we'll start the 16th one. 16th main is easy. 16, 17, 18, all those mains are easy. 8 to 15 is tough. Understood this one? First response students. Respond. Understood. Island. Okay. Angel, Ananya, Bhargavi, Delicia. So we are just splitting it. Don't copy. First go through. Stop writing students. First 4 steps you'll have done. Go through the 5th and 6th step. Then you all can write it later. All of you, once you'll complete, let me know, students. We'll move to the next one. Has all of you completed? Okay. So what's the rule here, students? What's the rule? In the fifth step, what are we supposed to do in the fifth step? What's the rule in between fourth and fifth? What we need to take common? Which value you have to take common? The one which has variable, right? So you have to separate which one? Variable and? Yes, tell me which one you have to separate? Variable and constant, right? Yeah, from the fourth and fifth step, variable and constant. So I'll just explain that part again. 5 to the power of 3 plus 2n is given. The base 5 as constant as well as a variable. How do you split it? Tell me, how do you split, students? 5 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 2n. What if it is minus? For minus, what do you do? 5 to the power of 3, multiplication or division? Very good. This is how you separate. You have to separate the constant and variable. Fine. Remaining we'll do tomorrow. From that main we'll do it tomorrow. Every day 2 questions. We'll complete 2. Now look, the other mains are very simple. We just use product and quotient law. Look at the 16th main, first one. Another 5 minutes. 5 minutes will end the class. A to the power of 7 into a to the power of 4 into a to the power of minus 6. Okay. The first point here is the base same for all 4? Are the base same? Base is same, right? A. And what sign is present in between all 4 students? What sign is present? Multiplication. So let me take A. 7. For multiplication, what should I write? Plus or minus? What should I write? Plus 4. Then again plus in bracket minus 6. Then again plus 0. 7 plus 4 plus into minus is minus 6 plus 0, just ignore. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 minus 6. A to the power of 5 is the answer. Is this clear? Did you all understand? Am I audible to all? Can you hear the student? Understood this law? When the base is same and multiplication is given? Okay. What if division was given here? Tell me now, what if division was given? What sign should I put here? Plus or minus? It would have been minus, right? It would have been minus. Okay. Complete this. Whoever has completed this, try this question. Complete it. Done, all of you all. It's a simple question. Why do you all take so long? Completed. Delicia, can you answer this? Delicia, unmute the call. Is Delicia online? Left the meeting. What about others? Kia, have you done? Is Kia online? Kia, Angel. Yeah, Kia, tell me the answer. What is common? Take the first one, 9. For multiplication, what sign you put? Plus. Very good. Plus 2. All of you wrote the same thing? 9 plus 6. What is minus to minus? Plus 2. What's the final answer? 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. See, there is a purpose, students. You are attending class. Concentrate and complete. Delicia, as soon as I asked a question, you left. Yes. Even others, no. As soon as I asked, you left, right? What's the answer, Delicia? Have you completed? Tell me, explain, how do you solve this? What common letter? That is base. Then what do you do? Hmm. Why minus? No, why minus here? After 6, why did you tell minus? Okay, very good. Next, into. Then why did you leave the mid? When did you leave? Okay, tell me this. 9 plus 6 into minus is 3 plus 2. Add all this, what do you get? Sorry, 20. 320. I thought just because you didn't know the answer, you left. All of you got the same answer? Okay, so we have done 2 students. What we'll do is from tomorrow, how many questions we have done here? 8, 9 is done. 8, 9, 10 and 13. 8, 9, 10, 30. Tomorrow we'll start 11, 12. We'll complete 11, 12. Day after tomorrow 14, 15. So tomorrow we'll do 11, 12. Along with that we'll complete all this. All these are very simple. Okay, 17, 19, lengthy, but it is easy to solve. Not like this 8 to 15. Fine. That's it for today. You all can leave. Log in.